Opo, Pinoy dapat na mag-big winner, kaya nga Pinoy Big Brother kaya. Then ano po, mas magiging masaya po yung mga tao kung Pinoy po yung magiging big winner.
Every Pinoy team housemate, they always enjoyed all the games, they always did all the activities, they always parang had enthusiasm talaga. And took responsibility for all the tasks, all the household chores, and parang they were the best housemates. They were always trying to be the best housemates.
Opo. Pinoy po yung maging beginner po. Kasi, yun po, mas matagal po kami dito and then yung efforts and yung mga pinagdaanan po namin, lahat-lahat po, yung pagod at pawis. Sa tingin ko, mas disciplined kami, mas hardworking, lahat-lahat po. Deserving po yung mga Pinoy.
No, of course not. It's for not only for Pinoy, diba? We have international and Pinoy house. We have also Pinoy housemate and if international and if people think one of Pinoy housemate is #1 and Pinoy housemate, if people think one of international housemate is best, and the people, yeah.
Depends on the viewers and it depends on who worked the hardest.
I actually don't really care because me personally, it's not. I'd feel great if any of them won because they're all my friends.
Tingin ko po mas masaya kung may international na big winner for the first time.
Doon tayo sa pagiging housemate, di ba? Yung mga Pinoy, yun yung nagsimula eh. Yun yung sumagupa sa lahat ng hirap, nung pagdating ng first week, second week. Yun yung lahat tumawa, umiyak. Mas nauna kaming tumawa, umiyak sa inyo. Kumbaga, lahat mas naranasan namin ng una sa inyo yung hirap. Kaya nung pinasok nyo kami, parang ano na kami, kumbaga sa gera, sugatan na kami. Nung pinasok nyo kami, tapos biglang kinakalaban na naman namin kayo, di ba? Parang ang hirap-hirap. Kaya, para sa akin, mas deserving yung mga Pinoy na manalo kasi kami yung nauna sa lahat-lahat eh. Di ba? Tsaka wag na nga natin sabihin na Pinoy Big Brother to. Given na daw kasi yan. Tsaka lahat ng qualities ng pagiging Pinoy nasa amin. Wag nang humanap pa ng Xerox copy. O kung papansinin nyo naman si Ivan, grabe yung determinasyon ng tao na yun na maging Pinoy, di ba? Minsan nga parang nagiging OA na siya na sa lahat ng task gusto niya madadapuan pa ng pagka-Pinoy yung mga task namin. Gusto niya magtatagalog, magagalit siya pagkakausapin siya ng English. O yun, sige nga.
So we keep hearing that it's Pinoy Big Brother. That's why it should be Pinoy the winner. No. And then the other thing we keep hearing is that they stayed longer. Okay, I'm going to disprove both of that now. Okay, Pinoy Big Brother. It's not just in the blood. It's not just in the blood. Okay, it's in the heart. Okay, as you can see, we have two teams. Right, we have Pinoy Big Brother, Pinoy Team House and the International Housemates. Okay, so as we can see from the whole duration of the show, we can see that nakita natin na yung International, yung Pinoy, pinakita yung negative traits ng pagiging Pilipino. Tapos yung International, pinakita yung pagiging positive traits. So, ano pa, nakasulat pa sa rulebook na kailangan Pilipino ang nanalo. Tsaka, okay, move on na ako. Anong oras eh? Okay, tapos yung duration naman. So, ano meron pag mas matagal? It's not, sabihin ko it's not the amount of time that you stay here. It's what you do when you stay here. So, adding everything up, mas masipag ang International, mas may leader, mas disiplinado, at mas, ano yung isa? At mas masayahin. Kaya kailangan International ang big winner. Okay?
Excuse me. Wait. Yung pagiging masipag na sinasabi niya masipag kayo. Di ba kami pa ngayon, si Ivan sinabi pa sa'yo na, Richard, can you cut this? Yung sibuyas, pare, yun ba yung pagiging masipag? Sinasabihan pa namin kayo na, pakitulungan naman kami. Si Brett, pahila-hilata. Pwede bang pakihiwa yung manok? Yun ba yung masipag, di ba? Parang hindi yata totoo yun kasi kami mismo, ako nga yung nagbabak-bak yung kamay, kakahugas ng pinagkainan natin lahat, di ba? Ako yung tagaluto-luto, di ba? Yun ba yung masisipag? Kasi parang lumalabas nga, kami yung mga servidora nyo. Kaya, hindi ko matatanggap sinabi nyo, masipag kayo, kaya kailangan manalo kayo yung Pinoy.
Lakihan lang natin yung scale, hindi na yung masipag. We're talking about the slot to be the next teen big winner after Kim Chu, after EJ Falcon. Bakit Pinoy?
Gusto ko lang tapusin yung sinabi ko sana kanina. Actually, given na kahit papaano, kahit yung mga international housemates natin, given din na iba sa kanila gusto rin maging pusong Pinoy. At i-recognize na rin natin yun na kahit sila deserving manalo if ever dahil pusong Pinoy din sila, depende sa anong ginawa nila. Pero at the end of the day, sino ba talaga ang gusto mong manalo sa isang contest na Pinoy Big Brother ang title? At kung titignan mo at the end of the day, kung ang nanalo ay isang kilala na Pinoy housemate, hindi siya kilala bilang international housemate, iba pa rin ang tatatak sa isip ng mga tao na ang pinanalo nila, kilala bilang Pinoy. Kahit sabihin mo pa, yung hindi mo na kailangan i-dig in yung pagiging Pinoy ng isang international housemate, iba pa rin yung tatak nun eh. Hindi mo na kailangan i-dig in, Pinoy na talaga eh. Nandyan na, may label na.
At saka, in addition din, ang Teen International, bakit kung mananalo kayo, kaya nyo bang magsalita ng Ilonggo, Bisaya, kaya nyo bang i-entertain yung ano nyo? Siguro ipapadaan nyo lang yan sa mga itsura ninyo. Pero sa puso, bilang isang housemate, bilang isang Pinoy, di ba? Bakit kailangan pa nating kailangan pa nating magpa-contest ng Pinoy Big Brother kung ipapanaluhin na lang pala ang international, di ba?
Saka isa pa, basis lang ng pagiging Pilipino just by blood or yung kung anong appearance or jokes. Kasi kung gano'n lang naman may standard mo ng pagiging Pinoy, what really a Pinoy, at hindi yung kind of attitude na pinapakita mo sa loob ng bayan, for example, as a housemate, edi ang shallow lang ng pagiging Pinoy kasi yun lang yung sole basis and yun yung sinasabi yung pinaka-importante sa lahat.
We're supposed to be picking here yung Pinoy Big Brother big winner, not big loser. Yung mga excuses na ganyan because your blood is not Filipino that we cannot consider you as the winner. That's a shallow thing. If you want to show yung pinaka masamang qualities of what Filipinos are, they always say my stereotypes that Filipinos are crab mentality. Filipinos complain all the time. Filipinos are so subservient and they just make okray all the time, or they backstab. Sige, go ahead and just use that as your basis. That can be your Pinoy big loser. But for us, whether you're Filipino, you're here in the Philippines, if you're Korean or Chinese or whatnot, as long as you have those winning qualities of what we call being Pinoy, that should make you the winner, not just because of your blood. Ako, I can't even speak in Ilonggo or whatever.
Okay, 1 minute is up. Very good job.
I manage you.
I'm speaking for the general already. There's a reason kung it's about, kung ang tanong ay about pagiging Pinoy, there's a reason kung bakit nandito sila. Bakit sila pinasok na kuya. Out of the thousands, they were chosen as well. They have passed all the qualifications and the standards. So nangyari ngayon, magkakatalo sila sa kung ano ang mga abilidad ng pagiging Pinoy. Not necessarily by blood. So ang tanong ngayon is, kung sino yung mga nag-i-imbue ng mga values na yon, sino yung mga, anong mga characters, anong character ng tamang pagiging Pinoy ang nagpapakita nito. Kasi this is about Pinoy Big Brother, not necessarily na kung sino ang, this is about Pinoy Big Brother, meaning to say na Pinoy having multiculturalism, hindi na siya about by blood. It's about the different nationalities having the values of being Pinoy. For example, yung pagiging hospitality, yung pagiging makatulungin, pagiging maunawain, pagiging masayahin. These are the qualities that are not exclusive to Pinoys only, but as well as Filipinos that are people who are raised in the Philippines. So yun naman sabi ko sa lahat na vote for the right person kung sa tingin nyo ang sino ang mas Pinoy in terms of only of the blood but as well as the values na meron sila.
Thank you very much, Rona and Team T International. Closing statement of Team Pinoy, Mike.
Okay, ang masasabi ng aming kupunan, nakita na natin yung iba't ibang magaganda at masasamang punto sa iba't ibang klaseng mga housemate na nating saksihan. Overall naman, lahat sila generally mabait. Generally, iba-ibang trait ang na-observe natin sa kanila. Pero ang pinakamahalaga sa ating pagpili sa kung sino yung dapat manalo ay naranasan ko kasi ito nung stay ko dito sa loob na napansin ko na ang selection sa amin bilang mga housemates, hindi lang basta-basta stereotype yan eh. Sa dami ng mga interview na nangyari, talagang tinignan kung ano yung mga nasa puso namin, tinignan din kung ano yung mga pangarap namin. Ngayon, para sa mga tao, sino ba ang housemate na sumasalamin ng inyong mga sariling pangarap? Sino ba ang housemate na sumasalamin ng inyong sariling values? Sino ba ang housemate na gusto nyo tinangalaan at the end of the day? Pag natapos na ang lahat ng ito, sino ba yung pinaka gusto nyong maalala na, itong taong to, ito yung pinaka-Pinoy, hindi lang ito yung pinaka-Pinoy, ito pa yung pinaka-tao na sumasalamin sa kung ano yung pinaka-importante sa akin. So, madali lang siguro pumili. Basta kung ano yung nasa puso natin, yun na yun.